Welcome to the first lesson on inheritance. Now let's try to understand what inheritance does. Now in Java, inheritance is supported by the extends keyword. Now let's examine this class called employee. Employee has got one attribute called salary and a getter method, a setter method. No big deal, simple class. I've written another class called manager, and manager has no method and no attribute. I've written a third class called test with a main method. Now in main, test creates a new manager object called m and calls the set salary method as well as the get salary method. Hold on, there's nothing in manager, which means that this should result in a compilation error. Let's try. javac test.java. And yes, the error is cannot find symbol. What is the symbol? The symbol is set salary on line 4, which is this one. Expected. Now let's do a bit of magic. Let me change the way manager is declared. I add in extends employee. Let me save all. Let me try to compile test again, and hey, this time it works. When I try to run test, it works as well, which seems to imply that m, the instance of manager, has got a set salary method as well as a get salary method. And why is that the case? Now the reason is because of these two words. When manager extends employee, manager becomes the child class or the subclass of employee, which we call the parent class or superclass. Okay, they mean the same thing. Manager has inherited everything from employee, including the salary attribute as well as the get salary method and a set salary method. It will be as if the code has been written here, and hence that is the reason why when you call the set salary method of the instance of manager, there's no problem. So that is what inheritance is all about. Now let me push it a bit. I've written some code here which I'm going to paste into manager. So I'm declaring a attribute called bonus, get bonus, set bonus. Let's modify test a bit. Besides calling set salary, I'm going to call m's set bonus method as well as the get bonus method. Save it, try to compile test again and run it. No problem. So how many methods are there altogether in manager? 4. Set salary inherited from employee, set bonus written in manager, get salary inherited from employee, and get bonus written in manager. So what is inheritance all about? Inheritance is about code reuse. Someone has written an employee class. Now you're writing a manager class, and you realize that, hey, a manager is actually a specialized form of employee. It has a salary as well. So why don't you extend employee, inherit everything, and add on new stuff which is found in a manager class but not in a more generic employee class, which is in this case a bonus. So a manager is an employee, and he's a special employee, an employee with a bonus. So he has got the employee's salary as well as a special attribute called bonus together with the getter and setter methods not found in a normal employee. That's inheritance.